The NLP Foundation course by Pandey sir was really very enlightening and informative, which can change the world for you, your perceptions, your world, and number of things were explained by him for almost a week in his lucid and very gentle way. The way he teaches you, it really is appreciated by you as a person, as an intellectual person also. You can grasp it and easy to implement. All complex ideas are made so easy by him, which makes you feel that you can also implement it in your life. For this, I must thank Pandey sir for his value addition in my life. It is useful for you and all who are going to be associated with him. Thank you very much, sir.